Hello guys and welcome to our 2025 walkthrough of Simplepractice, a HIPAA compliant all-in-one practice management platform designed for mental health professionals. Today you will see how Simplepractice streamlines scheduling, documentations, billing, telehealth, and client intake. Simplepractice is ideal for solo or group therapy practices, integrating appointment scheduling, HER, charting, insurance billing, client messaging, secure telehealth, and business automation into a seamless workflow. Experts and practitioners consistently give it a 5-star review. Now, it's important to notice, guys, that you can start a free trial for 30 days, or you can even start a free trial for 7 days in the premium plan, okay? Both are gonna work and both are free. And there is no credit card required. The only thing, and this is important to notice, is that you're only gonna be able to do this if you are from Canada or the US. This is not available for Europe or any other countries, okay? So keep that in mind. And you actually need a US number. After you sign in, you're going to be welcome to this dashboard in here. The left panel navigation gives you access to, scheduling, clients, billing, insurance, analytics, and so on and so on. We're going to simulate a typical single practitioner session from intake to payment. So what are we going to do, guys? We're just going to go to clients, to this tab here. And now we're just going to click on create a new client. We have to fill in the legal first name, the last name, and whether they are, adult, minor, or a couple. The rest of the details are optional, but I highly encourage you to complete these, fields here, which is the billing type and, the basically client status. Also, make sure to provide a valid email. This is going to be special, especially important for sending forms. After you're ready, just click on continue. Now, what's going to happen, guys, is that this client, instead of moving, to the client section, he's going to move to the inquiries section, okay? And the reason why is because we need to send him some documents and we need to also, fill some of the information that is missing. So what are we going to do is, first of all, we're just going to click on this client, as you can see here. And then I'm just going to click on share intake documents, okay? Now that's going to take me to this window, but it's going to alert me that I don't have an email, okay, for this client. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on add email, and I'm going to add a new email for this client. And then after, what I can do is I can select the documents that I want to send to this client, okay, which are going to be basically the intakes that he has to sign in order for, consent. For example, credit card authorization, questionnaires, and so on, okay? You can select many different ones from here. And you can also add from your library, okay? So this is up to you completely, guys. Just select whatever questionnaire you need from him and click on continue. And here you can basically personalize, the email that he's gonna see, but you need a pro plan for this, so keep that in mind, okay? If not, this is gonna be set to default. Just click on continue to review. Once he has signed the documents, it's gonna appear in the client section, and we can just click on it, for example. And what's going to happen is that we're going to be able to see, for example, his client balance. As you can see here, he's owing me $200, okay? He's a red balance, okay? He paid $100, but he still owes me $300 for the invoices, all right? So that's important, and you can keep track of this. You can also add different, notes in here to keep track of this client, whatever is going on, and yeah. And also in the billing sections, you have all of the invoices, basically. Now to schedule, we have to go to the calendar section and we just have to click on one of the empty calendar spots, okay? For example, let's click in here. Now we just have to select our client, which in my case, I only have 2 of them, so it's gonna be easy. And as you can see, I'm just gonna select this one here. And you just have to select the time. Usually they're gonna be in slots of 50 minutes. In the services, you can select from a bunch of different services here, okay? Or you can click on add service to basically add like a new service. Each of these services is going to have a fee, but you can modify this fee without a problem to whatever number you want. After you're done, just click on save. And if you want to change something about this, you can just click here and you can change, for example, the name, the details, the status, and so on and so on. Also, from the same menu, you can create an invoice if you just click on this button here. That's going to take you here and you can start adding different services that you want to add for this particular, session, okay? Here is going to be the balance, the taxes, and so on and so on. So yeah, just click on save after you finish. Similarly, you can do the same for the billing section, but before anything, you have to set up online payments, okay? So just click in here, and that's gonna take you to this page. And they basically have their own system to take, payments. So you can just, require a security code by pressing on call me or text me. Under the analytics section, you can get insights on revenue trends, number of session books, claim status, outstanding balances, and client growth. While customization is limited, there is no custom report builder. The built-in metrics offer good visibility for practice performance, as you can see in here, and you can modify the time span, this year, last month, so on and so on. So yeah, guys, the pros of this service is that the interface is very modern, intuitive, and it has scheduling tools. This is ideal for solo or small groups practice. You have powerful, built-in, integrated documentation, treatment planning, and client portal. And also, you have super bill support, credit card charging, autopay, and secure messaging. The cons is that the pricing rises quickly with multiple clinicians and add-ons. The Plus plan is $100 per month, plus $60 per month per additional provider. So this can add up very quickly. The report customization is limited, and there is no live phone support, okay? Although the email support is pretty quick, I have to say that. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.